What's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing for you guys today. I got 2 packages from Nike. Before I get into the unboxing, I would appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. And let's get into this unboxing real quick. So this unboxing, it took kind of like some time to get here. Got that beautiful Jordan 1 box. To the side. So we got a Jordan 1 box right here, and now let's check what we got in this packet right here. Alright, man, I'm hella happy I got this box, man. Alright, so lately I guess Nike hasn't been giving out the receipts because in none of these boxes I have a receipt. So I don't know if it's inside the box or they're just not giving out receipts anymore. But looking at this box right here, it is a Nike SB. Already I love the box right off the back. I love like the presentation that they did with this shoe right here. And I can't wait to see it. I've been waiting ever since I ordered it. I've been waiting for it to get here. I just can't wait. So yeah, man, I'm gonna open this one first because I'm gonna save this one for last. This is a new shoe that I have not unboxed yet. Not that I haven't unboxed it, it's just something I've shown you guys already once before. So here we go. This is the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. This is a size 10.5. This is not my size. This is a pair that I'm looking to flip in the future. So if you guys are interested in the size 10.5, let me know. It does come with the spare laces right here. This one, let's check the other pair as well. So nice, decent pairs. I don't see nothing wrong with them yet. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with these pairs. Beautiful pair of shoes. Everything came in good. So shout out to you guys, Nike. Let me know if you guys are gonna go for the off-white 4s that are coming out next week. If you guys need help buying those, I'm gonna do a video for you guys. So stay tuned for that. It should help you guys at least get a bigger chance of copying those shoes. And there is no receipt in the box. You do get a quality control sticker right here. So if you guys are buying these shoes, make sure you guys get this typewriter paper and then you guys get this quality control sticker in the box. Let me know what you guys think of these smoke gray ones. To me, I think they're fire. I'm gonna keep my pair. So yeah, these are some fire shoes.
Oh, coronavirus! Oh!
Let's put these to the side. Now for the shoe that I've been waiting for, and I can't wait to go skateboarding in these shoes. I'm gonna do a review for you guys skateboarding in these shoes. I'm gonna let you guys know if these shoes are comfortable, if these shoes hurt, if they're worth $100, because a lot of people have been complaining on the price of these shoes. Skateboarding in these shoes, I'm gonna let you guys know if these shoes are comfortable, if these shoes hurt, if they're worth $100, because a lot of people have been complaining on the price of these shoes. So they retail for $95, size 9, but I ended up paying like $110 because I got that 2-day shipping, which they were supposed to get here yesterday, but due to the coronavirus, they came a little later than that. Nike SBs. Let's see what's the whole hype. And I'm assuming all SBs come with this paper, like it looks like there's wood on the bottom. I guess it represents a skateboard, I'm not sure. So there we go. I got it in the triple white colorway. Already these shoes are glowing. And every time that I skate, I always like, for some reason it motivates me more when the bottom of the shoe looks decent, looks really good. I love it because since you're skateboarding, you're always looking down up at your feet. So these look already super fire, man. Let's get the other one out for you guys. And yeah, Nike does not give receipts out. So I don't know if it's to help with pollution or what's the reason with that, but they're not giving you receipts anymore inside of the box or in the shoe box. So inside of the box, you get a quality control sticker. But man, I can't say enough about this box. I love the purple color. It looks super bright. It looks super cool. It's gonna stand out in my collection. Man, this box, I give it a 10 out of 10. Good box right here. So let's put this to the side. Here we go, and we got the NYJAHs. The NYJAHs 2.0s. These remind me of the free runs from back in like 2005 or 6. These remind me of the free runs. You get this real good cushion right here. Like it feels like really cushiony right here. Also, this shoe looks like it has a lot of durability, a lot of flexibility. You get rubber on the side right here. You get a mesh so that your feet could breathe. And then you get this like black swoosh right here that feels kind of like a grip tape or something like that. NYJAH got down on this shoe. Let's see the flexibility. Already gonna crease these up. These are for skateboarding, so yeah, there you go. They're kind of flexible. These are for skateboarding, so if they crease up, if they rip or anything, it doesn't really matter to me, because these shoes, I want to see how much they could get beaten up. I want to see what's their limit, how much they could take, because for $100 a skateboarding shoe, that kind of is a lot. I love how you get this Nike right here, this NYJAH right here. You get the two in the back. Man, these shoes, super fire. I'm so happy they're here. I'm gonna skate them today. I'm gonna do some reviews, some clips for you guys, so you guys can see, get a better like thing. I did go down half a size in these, because I've been hearing that these fit kind of big. So, and me, I'm the type of skater that when I have a shoe, I want it to be tight. That way I get more board control, but that's just me. Also, I love the fact that they hit these first laces and these two are disposed. And then you got this one hidden as well. This one's hidden for, I guess, ollies and kick flips, and this one is hidden for heel flips. So there is like a rubber mesh around it. You get like this rubber like feel right here on the heel. And let's check out the insoles. So the insoles, they're very thin. So I'm assuming this is not for like doing drops or doing stairs or doing gaps. This is probably more for like tech tricks, but the way NYJAH skates, I don't know how he's able to do drops and rails and stuff. Very thin cushioning, so there is kind of a little bit on the heel, but it's mainly like very thin, I guess, so that you get more board feel. And on the inside, there's just nothing, so it's gonna be straight concrete, straight. You guys are gonna feel everything, all the impact. I don't think these are good impact shoes, but all around these shoes look super fire. And I'm pretty sure even if you don't skate, these shoes are a very well like going out shoe. It looks like a very nice casual shoe that you could wear even to the mall, to some parties, whatever you guys want to do in these shoes. It looks like you could wear these anywhere. Now I'm kind of second guessing it if I want to skateboard in them, but these are going to be my new skateboarding shoes, so stay tuned for that. I will be doing a review on skateboarding on these. Let me know if you guys want to watch that video. Alright, so out of the two shoes, which one do you guys like the most? My favorite one is this one. I'll choose this over this any day, but that's just my opinion. And especially the presentation. This box is super fire. Even if I let go of the shoes, this box, I'm probably just gonna keep it because it looks super clean. I'll probably put some other shoes in here, but this box, man, in my opinion, I love the way it pops. It's purple, it's beautiful. And the shoes, man, you cannot go wrong with these NYJAH 2.0s, man. To me, this is my favorite colorway. So I'm gonna wear these shoes with some high white socks, just like NYJAH skates in them. Here we go, NYJAH 2.0s. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys turn post notifications on so you guys can see my videos every time they come out, every time I upload. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Teammate Gains. I'll be doing some crazy kick flips in this soon. Stay tuned. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace out.